Have you ever wondered what would happen if three different metals were dropped into one of the most powerful acid mixtures in chemistry? In this experiment, we're comparing copper, iron, and magnesium by placing them into Aqua Regia under exactly the same conditions. This allows us to see how each metal behaves when exposed to the same highly reactive solution. The first beaker contains copper. At first, the reaction appears relatively slow, but if you watch closely, you'll notice the metal gradually begins to react with the acid mixture. The second beaker contains iron. Compared to copper, the reaction becomes much more noticeable with visible bubbling and a faster change in the solution. Finally, we reach magnesium. As soon as it touches the Aqua Regia, the reaction becomes extremely vigorous. Large amounts of bubbles are released, and the metal dissolves much more rapidly than the other two. It's fascinating to see how three metals placed into exactly the same solution can behave so differently. Their position in the reactivity series plays a major role in determining how fast they react and how dramatic the reaction becomes. Watching them side by side makes those differences easy to understand. Chemistry is amazing. Which of these three reactions impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Shock Lab for more amazing chemistry experiments every day.